Welcome, today I am with Citroen C3 2020 car key, and I will show you how you can open this key and how you can replace the battery. So let me just zoom in a little bit to show you how it looks a little bit closer. Okay, so we have to focus on this cover, on this plastic cover with the Citroen logo. So we have to start from this part. We have to use very thin tool. I'm going to use this knife, and we have to input this knife right here in this place between this plastic and the metal parts. So insert and then lift a little bit, and do the same for the right one. Okay, and right now we are able to use our hands and then just pull towards you. And as you can see right now, we easily get rid of that cover, and right now we are inside, so we can remove the battery. Okay, so we have to start from the bottom, from this place, and then as you can see we easily remove that battery. So put it back like that in this position, and then put back this cover. Press, and as you can see right now, we finally put back all the parts, and basically that's how we can make it. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.